Do you want to know if you have found your soulmate? Follow me as I show you how to find your soulmate in TikTok using the phase of the moon. Welcome to F1xpat. My name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. Before we start, make sure you have CapCut installed on your phone. Search for the moon joy on Google. Select the moon phase calculator. Add your date of birth. Scroll down, and you will find your moon phase. After it loads, select it and hold the photo to download it. Now, add your partner's date of birth. After it loads, select it and hold the photo to download it. Open up your TikTok app. Select Search. Type in Moon Soulmate Trend. Look for any moon phase video. Select the CapCut Try This template. Select Use Template in CapCut. Select Use Template. Add the moon photos that you downloaded to CapCut. Select Text. Select to edit your date of birth. Select to edit your partner's date of birth. Select Export. You will automatically go to TikTok. Select Edit. Select the plus icon. Add your video. Adjust your video to full screen. Set your play duration. Select 2.0 seconds. Select your video. Turn volume down to 0. Add your text. Trim the text to the end of your first clip. Go back and select Audio. Select Add Sound. Go to the search option and select Every Summertime. Select the audio. Select your template video. Increase the speed to 1 second. This is to match the beat of the song. Adjust if needed. Check your video and save it to post. If you found this video helpful, press that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.